Good morning. This is day 131, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, so last night after I talked to you in the parking lot, things got kind of even worse. Like we waited at the parking lot for almost 2 hours before we were able to get a ride. And finally this shuttle driver Jess came and rescued us, thank God. And then we went to town to have some food. There was a McDonald's, but it was closed, or I don't know what was wrong, but all the doors were locked and the drive-through was closed, even though it was supposed to be open. So we couldn't even have dinner. And then we went to a store and bought some food instead. So I guess it went okay in the end. And we got showers and our stuff is pretty much dry, and today looks like a nicer day, though there might be rain today as well. But yeah, so I don't know. There's some exciting things happening today too. I'll tell you when we're closer to them. But anyway, let's get the day started. All right, our first exciting thing is right here. 1,500 miles. That's insane. I can't believe that. Hold on. So, does it really feel like we have walked 1,500 miles?
Not really. It feels like longer.
It feels like longer. Like 2,000.
Like 2,000. We're done, right?
Yeah.
It's over.
Oh my god, that's crazy. That's a crazy amount of miles.
We're crazy.
Yeah, we're crazy. Who wants to hike that many miles? But anyway, woohoo! Celebration.
Only crazy people.
Yeah. Look at this delicious greenery. It's so scrumptious. Well, it's deliciously green. Don't die there. Oh, the smallest froggy. Hello, froggy. Oh. Okay. Anyway, small froggy and beautiful, beautiful green. We just got some water from this spring. Beautiful, delicious cold water. So nice to have like good, reliable, safe water sources again. The water was so nice and cold and clear and lovely. Wow, gorgeous colors, patterns. Yeah. Hi. Big boy. Oh. He's like, I don't appreciate to be filmed. I did not consent for this. Made it to the top of Mount Prospect. We have a bit of a view. It's beautiful. So beautiful and green today. I don't know why all the green looks so delicious to me today. I mean, not like I'm gonna eat it delicious, but it just looks so vibrantly green. pretty steep downhill. Whoa. Okay. Man, this is almost vertical. I'm not even kidding. Okay, it's not vertical, but it's quite steep. Okay, I'm gonna need my both hands though. Hello.
Hello.
I had to film some more because it just looks so cool.
What you talking about, Willis?
What?
Hello, beauty
Oh my gosh.
queen. Working.
Yeah. So pretty. So we have climbed most of the way to Bear Mountain. We're about, I think it was 0.9 from the top, but we're not gonna climb all the way to the top today. Soon we're gonna take a little side trail down to trailhead where Yogi is picking us up. I'm pretty sure I mentioned that in yesterday's or the day before video. So Yogi is a friend who I hiked with early on in Georgia. She was in my original family, but then she got injured and had to get off trail, which was very sad. And she was trying to get back on trail later, but it just wasn't in the cards for her this year, unfortunately. But she's an awesome lady and she lives around here and promised to help us out. So she's gonna take us to a campground and we'll have that as a base camp kind of for I think 3 nights, and she will help us slack back tomorrow and the day after, which is gonna be awesome. We will try our best to do lots of miles and get ahead of the game. Yay. And also I'm very excited to see Yogi again, because the last time I saw her was a trail day, so it was a while ago. So it's gonna be so nice to see her again. But yeah, let's get to the trailhead and continue to the top of Bear Mountain first thing in the morning tomorrow. Okay, we got to the trailhead and look! Yogi bought trail magic. Oh my god, and Yogi brought herself! So good to see you!
Oh my gosh, so good to see you. On
Oh.
a dirt road.
Yeah, yeah, in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
At the Mount Bristol trailhead. Okay, let's drink and eat.
Good.
So we just did a little side quest to Bish Falls. This is a funny name. Beautiful falls.
You guys need